Okay, so let's see, let's do a little quick outline here. Starry Night here. You can use a reference photo that I like, just the way I'm doing it right now, just to kind of quickly give you an idea. It wasn't a perfect square painting he did, but let's see, just to kind of help us see. There you go, something like that. Little stars right here, and little twirly lines right here, and stars right here, like this. And then there's this tree right here. Here's the tree. Okay, and then there's this area right here, homes, hilltop right here, something like that, right? That's the basic composition, so that's what we're gonna focus on. All right, so here we are. So here we go. Let's do this here. Let's quickly. Oh, issues there. Do this. Something like that, all right? Let's do a little backdrop there. Okay, let's see, palette knife. All right. Lots of curves. Let's do that. My own tribute, if you will, to Vincent van Gogh. Working on the backdrop here a little bit before moving on. There you go. Nice clean swipe. And let's see where this takes us for today. There you go. Doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Just kind of laying out the groundwork, if you will, foundation. Okay. Okay, let's do this too. Maybe darker blue. There you go. This color is the what I'm using is True Blue. There you go, True Blue color. A lot of blue. This composition. There you go. Look, texturizing. Let's see. Just for the for our next stage, getting it ready for us. And then the trees are right here, right? Just a little tree, just to kind of help us visualize. And it's not going to be perfect, exact match as Vincent van Gogh's masterpiece, but let's do a little quick sketch right here. And of all these homes right here, church, homes, starry night. Here you go. And then let's see. Curvatures here, as well as this. There you go, just to kind of help us visualize and kind of setting the stage here. Main structure, if you will, skeleton. Here we are. So that's my interpretation so far of the backdrop. Let's see, work on this first. So let's move on over here like that and see how far we can make things happen here. So starry night right here. So here you go. Here's the Here's a little moon action right here, right? As you can see, a little moon action. There you go. Blend these colors in nicely. Well, this brush thing isn't really working out for me, so let me see. Let's use, go back to the toothpick here. Toothpick action. There we go. Toothpick action right here. Blend these colors in. Again, this is my own interpretation of Van Gogh's Starry Night, of course. Yeah, you guys can, as you watch this video, say to yourself, you know, I can do a little bit better than that, perhaps. This is basically tree line is what I'm going for here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then there's this church thing here, church. Okay.